Okay, find the range of this function, f of x equals negative 2x plus 6 for that domain, negative 1, 3, 7, and 9. So the idea here is that we're going to write this multiple times. We're going to write f of negative 1, and that's going to equal negative 2 times negative 1 plus 6, and let's calculate it. Negative 2 times negative 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8. F of negative 1 equals 8. Let's do it again for all the different values. And actually, let me just draw a line here so we can differentiate and not running into each other here. F of 3 would be negative 2 times 3 plus 6. And negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. And f of 7 would be negative 2 times 7 plus 6, which is negative 14 plus 6, or negative 8. And we'll do it one more time for, let me draw this line to separate those. And we've got f of 9 equals negative 2 times 9 plus 6. Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18, plus 6 is negative 12. So we have, as the range, we have the range. What are all the numbers that were produced? We had negative 12, negative 8, 0, and 8. One of the values of writing the range or the domain in order from least to greatest is that for all of us, we will have the same set of numbers in the same order. And it makes it a lot easier for two people to compare the domain and range that they found by having it in order. Because otherwise, like I could say, if I could write it in any order, I might have 0, negative 8, negative 12, 8, and then suddenly it's not nearly as easy to compare and see whether mine matches yours, for example. So that's just one of the benefits of doing that. Anyway, they want to know what the range is. We've found the range, so let's box it out. Sorry, oops. Let's box it out, and we're done.